This is the Smart Finger door lock. You get the door lock and the finger control panel. So, reset. And we'll go through the blinking to reset. Now press any finger for around 5 seconds and wait for the blue indicator flashing. And there is the blue light. Release your finger and the blue indicator light will be on. Collect the same finger more than 5 times. So, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 goes red, 7 goes red, and 8 goes red, and it goes out. Now, I'll just try to set my next finger as the second administrator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes red, 7 goes red, 8 goes red, and it goes out. Now I'll try my next finger, and this should be the third administrator. And green, 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 red, red, and red. Now I'll try the finger on my other hand, and it will still open the lock. And my other finger will still close the lock. 2, 3, 4, 5. Goes red, goes red, goes red. Try my thumb, and my thumb still works. So I believe this product will just open with anyone's finger.